man and got a red bone in the shop. Got 2 chains that two-tone, 200 racks, no lie.
I don't know. That. What you think?
I'm about to rumble in the jungle in these new Kanye. My lawyer threw them bombs on and beat him up the cake. Fuck y'all mad at me, folks. Your belt got 2 G's on it, her bag got